Hey Charmers, it's Friday. Yes, I did end my first vlog early becoming on a space. But I just want to start this vlog. I'm not feeling well, but we're gonna eat breakfast.
Call me phone 10:30. Say she hungry and want some Kentucky. Me say anything you want, you will get honey.
Which is KFC. Oh, today Friday, so mommy not cook. So me and I like to maybe eat KFC again. I'm not sure. But I'm not well, so it really don't matter to me. Not feeling no, but I just want to interest in me start the vlog. I'm pretty sure nothing else will happen today, but yeah. Banana space, guys. So the video them not go long, come I can't save them.
Good morning. We're going to the beach. Beach. They say, have a drink.
I joke, guys. I'm going to the supermarket today because for some reason I don't feel full. Rice and peas, which is rare because I love my rice and peas. Maybe because I'm sick. And I don't mind fold them. Don't mind people them fold. But I feel for shrimp today, so I'm gonna get shrimp. And let's see what else I pick up in there. But a shrimp I go in there for. My cook's so dirty. I hope I see nobody go know. Because what? Guys, if my cough on I'm gonna get sick soon. So yeah. Hello, this is the fit. We're gonna do it in and out. I'm not even take up now. Do I need? I'm supposed to only I get 2 little something. Guys, this? That look a bit of broccoli after $600. What the hell? Like what the actual? Buenos dias, Charmers. I'm gonna show you something that you've never seen before. Wait for it, guys. I'm gonna wash my hair from maybe like November. Am I proud of it? I don't have a problem because I've been wearing wigs.
Brother, what's that?
I don't think it's that bad at the back, but at the front, shit. Something need to get done. So we're gonna wash our hair today. We're going on the road. We have some errands to run. I'm gonna fix my hair and stuff. Guys, come let me make be making shit. It don't sound good, like.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle.
Guys, I'm taking my passport size photo right here. Hello. This is like this is the face that we're going. Okay. You can really cats and dogs outside actually. So let's see what we're gonna get done for today.
Nobody cannot cross it. Nobody cannot cross it, guys. $100 for cross the bridge, guys. $100 for cross the bridge, guys. Go to the $100. It's not safe. They go to the $100.
All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. You see all these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Oh girl, I wanna hold on you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say, on me. Focus on me. Focus on me. Focus.
Guys, watch you know. I've already edited 4 minutes of this vlog, and I think I deleted the clip. I mean, me think me delete some of them video they are ready for when or when. So guess what? This vlog can start over. Guys, I'm literally starting over the vlog all over again because what in the meadows? I don't believe it. Oh, me fi delete. Listen to me. Guys, you can connect with Liza today. Well, we will see. Part 1, I cannot find the learners them. So, I'm going to hear what I'm going to say. But I'm going to carry the passport size photo. I must can use another ID for verifying myself. Don't? But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. And come back home because mommy have work. We have other things to do, but I still can't believe I lost the clip. I'm just delete everything out I kept cut. Like it was edited. So good, so nice. And now this shit. I'm not going to do this YouTube something. Right, it's now 11:41. Let's see how long we have to do this near empty. My fried baking. She's so small, but in the empty. So guys, you guys don't get a lot of things in this vlog because one, I got the wrong tax office because the people never tell me which one for go. Me just go my regular one. I'm going to snap on the line. Then I told me them do process license over there, so I had to take a taxi to go to Spanish Town and come got a Portmore one. So pissed when I vlog nothing in the video nothing. But yeah, I never take long to get through there, so and yeah. Guys, we can't go to market. We can't afford the market. We can't afford the market, guys.
Every color, yellow, white, and stuff.
Guys, we take out the fingernail then. We got the mac and cheese. And these are the best thing Popeyes ever did. Fish chicken, mac and cheese. Best combo actually, best combo.